Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have a dash cam showdown for you. On the left, we have the SUVCON Dash Cam, and on the right, the REDTIGER 4K Dash Cam. Buckle up, folks, because this comparison is going to be a wild ride. Let's start with the most important feature of a dash cam: video quality. The SUVCON Dash Cam boasts a triple camera setup with a 170-degree wide-angle front camera, a 150-degree cabin camera, and a 150-degree waterproof rear camera. On the other hand, the REDTIGER 4K Dash Cam offers 4K resolution for the front camera and 1080p resolution for the rear camera. It's like watching a movie on the big screen. But hey, who needs 4K when you can have 3 cameras capturing every angle? SUVCON Dash Cam takes the lead here. Now let's shed some light on night vision capabilities. The SUVCON Dash Cam comes equipped with 4 infrared LED lights for clearer footage in low-light conditions. No more blurry images when you're driving in the dark. On the other hand, the REDTIGER 4K Dash Cam boasts enhanced super night vision, ensuring visibility even in the darkest corners. It's like having a superhero by your side. Sorry, SUVCON, but REDTIGER takes the night vision crown. It's time to check out the extra features these dash cams have to offer. The SUVCON Dash Cam comes with a built-in G sensor which activates emergency recording and locks the footage when it detects sudden shakes or collisions. Plus, it offers loop recording, automatically overwriting old videos when the storage limit is reached. And guess what? It even includes a 32GB SD card, so no need to spend extra money. On the other hand, the REDTIGER 4K Dash Cam offers built-in GPS for accurate tracking and Wi-Fi connectivity for easy access to recorded videos. It's like having a personal assistant in your car. But hey, SUVCON gives you all those extra features without breaking the bank. Speaking of breaking the bank, let's talk about the price. The SUVCON Dash Cam comes in at $199, while the REDTIGER 4K Dash Cam is priced at $229. Now, I don't know about you, but I'd rather save that extra $30 and treat myself to a fancy dinner. SUVCON wins in the affordability department. In summary, SUVCON Dash Cam is praised for its triple camera setup, infrared LED lights for night vision, built-in G sensor and loop recording, and affordability. On the other hand, REDTIGER 4K Dash Cam shines with its 4K resolution, enhanced super night vision, built-in GPS and Wi-Fi connectivity. It's up to you to decide which features matter most to you. And there you have it, folks. In the battle of the dash cams, SUVCON and REDTIGER put up a good fight. SUVCON takes the lead with its triple camera setup and budget-friendly price, while REDTIGER shines with its 4K resolution and advanced night vision. It's up to you to decide which features matter most to you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with more product comparisons. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.